Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sister's Kitchen India. Today I am going to show you how to make a very famous Bengali dish, Lau Chingri. So let's get started. To make Lau Chingri, first we have taken some mustard oil into our karai. Next I am going to add some cumin seeds and some bay leaves into this. I'll fry it for almost 30 seconds. As you can see, it has fried properly. Now I am going to add some ginger paste along with some turmeric powder, red chili powder and some coriander powder into this. I'll be frying it for almost 5 minutes till the ginger's raw smell goes off. After 5 minutes, as you can see, it has fried properly. Now I am going to add 2 green chilies into this. Next I am adding some fried prawn pieces into this. We have already fried it with some salt and turmeric powder. Now I am going to cook it for almost 1 minute. After cooking it for 1 minute, now I am going to add some salt into this. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste. And after mixing it, I'll be adding our chopped bottle gourd into this. And after adding them, now we are going to mix this properly. As you can see friends, we have mixed it properly. Now we are going to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid on. After 10 to 15 minutes, as you can see friends, our bottle gourd has started cooking and it has started losing its water. Now I am going to add some garam masala powder into this. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next I am adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter into this. I'll mix it properly. Lastly, I'm going to add some chopped coriander on top of it, and I'll be cooking it for another 10 minutes till it soaks its water. Friends, our Lau Chingri is absolutely ready. If you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like and share our recipe and comment below. Thank you and have a good day.